Hello everyone. Our students are presenting an AI-based recommendation system for the financial advisors. Let's say when a client comes and asks any kind of financial insights and decisions, so this AI will get all the data and also fetch the current market data and analyze, and they will provide an information. So let's see how our students are presenting their work.
Hello everyone. We are here to discuss about the design thinking based approach, and there are 5 phases in design thinking: empathy, define, ideate, prototype and test. So first let's see about empathy. So the financial analysts every day morning they spend more time in collecting the reports and financial informations across various resources. So they copy numbers and they build spreadsheets and they compare banks manually and they generate reports. By the time of their analysis, they may feel that they have spent lot of time in searching the financial informations instead of spending time in the decision making. And the data is across various so reports and the sources, and they as the data is scattered, it took lot of time in manually comparing. We observed that analysts should spend less time in analyzing the financial informations, and they have to spend more time in the decision making.
Hello everyone. In defined stage, we clearly identified the main problem faced by the financial professionals. Through our discussions and observation, we clearly found that financial professionals, data analysts spend lots of time in finding the data, and there is no enough time for decision making at the right time. In the defined stage, we clearly define the problem as financial professionals needs a faster, simpler, and transparent way in analyzing the financial data, and give it and convert it into an clear and trustworthy insights. And also, the struggle is not because of the lack of financial data. There's the difficulty is finding the financial reports, download from multiple websites and convert it into an clear and trustworthy insights. So this problem definition helped us to build the foundation for our FinSight solution.
So next stage is ideate. In the ideate stage, we focused on many different ways to solve a problem we had defined. So we came up with basic solutions like calculating financial matrices and automating financial data collections, investment records. So instead of putting everything into a one system, we decided to split and given a specialized AI agent. That specialized agent can done different works in a specific parts. So we came up with features like peer comparison, what if analysis, and recommendations and investment recommendations, and analyzing the report and giving a final report.
So, the next stage is a prototype stage. In the prototype stage, we converted the selected ideas into an working version of FinSight. We first built the data collection workflow to automatically fetch and process the data. Then we added the financial calculations, risk analysis, and AI insight generation. Then we also created the dashboard to present the result in a simple and understandable way. And the prototype consists of a role-based access where the admin creates an organization and creates the user credential, whether it's analyst or CFO. Then the admin adds on the client portfolios. Then the client access the client portfolios and performs the pair comparisons, historical recap, and what if scenarios. Then submits as an insert report to the CFO. Then the CFO approves the report based on the analysis done by the analyst. The purpose of the prototype is done to move from the idea to having something the user actually work with and evaluate. Then the final stage is test stage. In the test stage, we evaluated whether uh, the FinSight works as we intended. Based on the issues and feedback, we improved the validation, data collection, then analysis, and transformed the analysis. Thank you.